Let me introduce to you our Troop Information Education speaker. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at Mindanao State University, Marawi in the year 1998. He entered the fire service in year 1999. Further finished his special education teaching at Pilgrim Christian College in the year 2008. He then continued his professional career by finishing his Master's in Public Administration at Bukidnon State University and further finished his Doctor of Philosophy, major in Public Administration at University of Bohol with merit. He then became a commissioned officer in March 2025, and now he is the acting Municipal Fire Marshal of Municipality of Causuagan, Lanao del Norte. Please help me welcome Fire Inspector Alan P. Pabilic, sir.
Thank you for that nice introduction. And Troop Commander, please place your men to Tikas Pahinga. Basta.
Tikas!
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. To our highly prestigious and supportive Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, sir, to our Regional Assistant Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, to our Regional Director for Operation, Fire Senior Superintendent Rix Claiborne L. Salvania, sir, good morning, and to our Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Pablo, sir, and to all my senior officers and section heads in attendance, to my fellow officers in UP personnel and colleagues in the fire service, a blessed, meaningful, and to each and every one of us. My topic for this Monday's convocation is all about national issues and our commitment. As public servant and uniformed personnel, we are not merely observers of national issues. We are part of the frontliners. Every disaster we respond, every threat we help prevent, and every family we assist reminds us that national issues is not headlines. They are lived realities in our communities. Today, people are not looking for responders. They are looking for leaders. Leaders who serve with conviction, who act with compassion, and who remains firm in the face of adversity. Kaya ang mahalagang tanong, what is our commitment in these challenging times? Our commitment is steadfast service, even when unseen. Our commitment is discipline, especially when compromise is easier. Our commitment is accountability, because trust is not given, it is earned. This commitment is seen not only in our operations, but also in our preparedness initiatives, especially the strengthening of our Special Rescue Force in Region 10, under the active and hands-on leadership of our Regional Director, who serves as the primary proponent of SRF frontline service. The groundwork for a fully functional SRF camp continues to move forward with clarity of vision and purpose. On October 17, the LGU of Causuagan, under the Honorable Mayor Sonia A. Arnado, donated a 40-footer container van and provided heavy equipment for hauling and transport to the SRF Maigo camp. With the strong support and coordination of our PFM, who continues to work closely with the LGU of Maigo and other stakeholders as our counterpart in ensuring the success and initiatives. This development builds on the foundation laid on 2020, when a 3,500 square meters beachfront lot was donated by the LGU of Maigo under then Ina Miflores as the municipal mayor of Maigo during my stewardship as the MFM and with the guidance of the then BFM Fire Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabri. These are more logistical milestones. They are contributions to nation building. They affirm that government is present, reliable, and compassionate. And through them, we are telling our communities, nandito ang gobyerno, nandito kami, hindi kayo nag-iisa. We may not solve every national problem, but we can be a source of safety, dignity, confidence, one act of responsible service at a time. As challenges continues, let us remain firm in duty, humane in service, and unwavering in integrity. Because here in Region 10, under the resolute leadership of our Regional Director, the BFP is not just a uniform. It is a symbol of trust, preparedness, and unshakable commitment to our nation. Maraming salamat po, at may we continue to serve with honor, integrity, and purpose. Mabuhay po ang Region 10. Mabuhay po ang ating bayan. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good morning.
Thank you for that inspiring message and reminder, sir. At this juncture, may we call in our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Cabot, and our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Gabornel Sabanya, to award the certificate. Let me read the citation. Department of Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Regional Order Number 2025-098, Medalya ng Papuri. Pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program Awards Incentives for Service Excellence, this Medalya ng Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Inspector Alan P. Pabilic, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal, Kauswagan Fire Station, Lanao del Norte, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as the Troop Information Education Speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on October 27, 2025 at Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment served to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the achievement of the BFP's mandates and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 27th day of October 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City, signed, Romel C. Chadjo, Regional Director. A round of applause, please. Thank you, sir.